Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can create an Epic Games account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an account on the Epic Games Studio. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Epic Games, and once you're here, you're going to click onto this first link from store.epicgames.com, and then you're going to click onto this sign in button here, and then here you're going to click onto create an account, and here you're going to click no on here, and then you're just going to follow the on-screen steps, create your account, put in your date of birth. Here you can put in your email address, click continue on here, and then you're going to put in your first name and your last name, and then you're just going to tick this checkbox and click continue on here, and then you'll get a verification code on your email. So go ahead and put in the verification code from your email onto Epic Games. Here it is. After that, click continue and you're done. That's how easy it was to create an account on the Epic Games website. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.